Hi everyone, my name is Kendra Morris according to the school, but I just got married about 5 months ago, so now my name is Kendra Davis, and this is my Getting Acquainted activity. Like I said, I just got married, and so this is the love of my life, Matthew. And we got married in the middle of COVID, so it's a little crazy. So we had two wedding days. On the left is the day we got civilly married, which was a special day. We were able to get First Presidency approval to have my uncle marry us. And then on the second, or on the right side, is our second wedding day when we got sealed about a month later in the Payson, Utah temple. It was such a blessing when the temples reopened and we got to be sealed. I'm from Puyallup, Washington. It's a city in Washington State about an hour south of Seattle. Our claim to fame is the Washington State Fair, which is held about twice a year, and people will come from all over to come to. Because of that, I love being outdoors. I love hiking and being in the trees and in the mountains. These are some pictures from some of my favorite hikes. And I don't know, even though I've moved away now and we're living in Utah, I will always have a special place for Washington in my heart. These are some interesting facts about me. I served my mission in Boston. That's what the pictures on the left-hand side are. It's the city of Boston, and me just right after I came home from my mission. On the right is a picture of me as an EFY counselor. That was one of the best decisions I made, was being able to serve the youth and just dedicate a whole summer to having fun, but also helping them come closer to Christ. On the bottom right, you can see I've had quite a few surgeries in my life. I've had reconstructive surgery on my shoulder, sinus surgery, appendix removal, and all sorts of other ones. So those are fun. And then the center picture is, of course, our Savior Jesus Christ. He is the best thing of my entire life. He's given me every good thing that I have, and he's my best friend. And I don't know, my testimony is the most valuable thing I have. And he's given me my husband and my family, and I'm just so grateful for him. These are my families. On the right is my um, family of origin, I guess you could say. So I've got four siblings, and my oldest brother's married and has two kids. And then on the left is my husband's family and my new family. They have just welcomed me with open arms, and I'm so grateful for that, and I love them so much. And then finally, just the things that I hope to learn and take with me from this class. I work at Suncrest Counseling right now in South Jordan, and I also just really want to help people in any way I can, especially with mental health issues. And so I hope that this class will prepare me for grad school and also help me in my current job. And I'm just so excited to learn and be a part of this class. So thank you so much.